Hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Iris Glamorous channel. In this video, I'll be talking about this Badi Herbal product. Previously, I talked about the Badi Herbal product, that is a anti-acne cream which works really great, and I have reviewed it. So the link is given in the description box below at the I button above. And I have also done reviewed Badi Herbal haul. I really love Badi Herbal products, and the link is given in the description box below at the I button of it and at the screen in the end of this video. So I'll be talking in this video about this Badi Herbal Red Cute My Lipstick color. Also, there's an anti-aging cream with almond, wheat germ oil and also rose extract. So before talking about this cream, which looks really cute, I'll just show the color of the cream. This is pink in color. As you can see, it has a pinkish tone of color into it. It smells amazing. Before talking detail about this product, I want to talk with you all about the giveaway which was scheduled in our channel previously. When in a video I already talked about that there will be a giveaway when we get 300 subscribers in our channel. Yeah, the giveaway is still on, and we wanted to do the giveaway as soon as possible because we have already reached 300 subscribers many days back, but we couldn't start the giveaway right this moment because the lockdown issues, COVID-19 factors, and we couldn't deliver the products, and the transport system, they don't want to take products, and the pricing of transport is too high right now. So I thought to skip this giveaway as soon as the lockdown is removed. As soon as everything goes normal, we will definitely do the giveaway, and that will be the first giveaway of my channel. And if as I have talked to the courier partners, if they are able to take it in the next few weeks, then I'll definitely inform you all for the giveaways. But giveaway is still on the channel. There is very simple rules of the giveaway which I have made, that is, you have to be a subscriber of this channel. You have to give good motivating comments so that it increases us. You have to be viewer of our channel, and taking all those like the views, the subscription, and the view times or the view hours from on our channel, and the comments, likes, depending on whatever you do on our channel. And you can also follow us in our Instagram handle. But so taking all this, but following us in the Instagram is not means main factor of this. But in YouTube, because everyone doesn't have Instagram handle, because I previously didn't have any Instagram handle, and I just created for this business purpose in YouTube. So you can follow us in Instagram. Our Instagram handle is this, or else you can just share, yes, share how much time you are sharing it, comments, and the view hours you are watching our video. Depending on all this and the subscription on our channel, we will pick up three different winners for these three giveaways, and three winners for 300 subscribers. And yeah, obviously coming up with more giveaways, but this first giveaway need to be done very quickly. I know we have already reached more than 300 many weeks back. So yeah, I am sorry for the delay and the situation. Obviously, for this COVID-19 issues, we have no other way. So now let's get started to this video and just review this product which I have used. And you can see I have used half of the container, and talk detailed review about this product. Let's get started. This is the cute packaging of this Badi Herbals anti-aging cream, and this is red in color. As the picture already says, it contains extracts of almond, wheat germ, and also rose. And it says here that let your skin embrace youth, and the same thing is written over here. And here so many things are written, as you can see. Enriched with multivitamins, content of almonds, wheat germ, and rose, this cream has been specially developed to fight signs of aging with a high concentration of vitamin A and E,
potent and antioxidant. This cream promotes cellular renewal while boosting production of collagen, smoothens and delays wrinkles. It keeps your skin supple and youthful. Almond reduces wrinkles, moisturizes and soothes the skin. Vidya promotes cell regrowth, hydrates skin, rose cellular rejuvenator, keeps skin firm and balanced. Direction for use: clean your face and apply lavishly all over the face and neck. Gently massage in upward direction. Use daily, morning and before going to bed at night. Key ingredient: almonds and the almond oil, vegetable oil, vitamin E, mangista extract, coconut oil, derivatives, rose water and distilled water. And here, as you can see, the manufacturing details are given here. It has been manufactured in Delhi, India, and they have a customer care services given here, and also their website. You can purchase it from their website too, and also contact the customer care if you need any help and if the product doesn't work for you, if it has any side effect. Then the net weight of this container which I bought is 30 grams and weighs for is 36 months, has a recyclable packaging and cruelty free and obviously vegan. 78 rupees is the MRP and freshly manufactured in September 2019, has expiry till August 2022. So such a cute packaging. So inside this you have this cream that looks cute too, and this is a Bharti Herbal container that is in red color, and the same things goes on writing all over. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, delays skin aging and even skin tone. The color of the cream inside is beautiful pink, rosy pink color. As you can see, it looks so great, gives a pinkish glow on your face when you apply this. The smell is just amazing. It also came with a seal over here which you have to cut it. It is good because that doesn't waste the product and it doesn't comes in contact with the cap when it is delivering.
So as you see in the packaging, it claims a lot of things like reduces fine lines and wrinkles, reduces dark spots and pigmentation, delays skin aging, even skin tone. So first of all, the cream smells amazing. It is quite moisturizing. It is not that it is quite dry, so it can be used by I think dry skin type, and also can be used for normal skin type and can be used for oily skin type also, because it is not so oily. As it contains bleach germ oil, it becomes a very good ingredient for dry skin type. It is organic because Bharti Herbals does not contain any parabens or sulfates in their products, and it is Indian based company too, and I really like their products. Now as they claims, reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Unfortunately, it doesn't work so great on fine lines and wrinkles, because my mom has been using this from last 2 months, and it's about 2 months half she has completed, and she says I won't be using this because it doesn't reduces any fine lines or wrinkles on the skin. Reduces dark spots and pigmentation. Yeah, it reduces little bit of dark spot when you apply the cream. It has a pinkish glow and it will feel that it is reduced, but when you wake up and wash your face and you see that nothing is reduced, as it is anti-aging cream. So I recommended my mom to use it as a night cream, and it is quite moisturizing also. It says delay skin aging. I don't think even skin tone, that is very little. So after using this for quite long time, uh, my mom just stopped using this. So I will not recommend you guys to use it if you have wrinkles in your face and fine lines. I don't have, so I have been using this from last 3 days, and I felt that if you are someone like me doesn't have such fine lines or wrinkles, you can use it as a good night cream. It was great for, like, the smell is just amazing. It keeps your skin soft but not so greasy in the summer. For summer night cream, it can be used for people above 18. Obviously there's the anti-aging product. People above 18 can definitely go and use this, but I don't think this will work great for people above 22 because it doesn't stops that wrinkles. So the budget friendly thing. So as I have already purchased it, I don't want to waste my money, so I thought of using this as a night cream and have been using from last 3 days. I feel that when you apply this, it gives us pinkish glow on your skin. It moisturizes your skin, wake up, and like I do have my own night cream, that is a collagen night cream and all. I have a lot of night creams that I really use a lot, uh, but I feel that this is a budget friendly one if you are looking for a premature aging. This is the name should be corrected, that this is not an anti-aging cream, this is a premature aging or youth protect cream. So then it might be right, because if you have large pores opening, it syncs the pores. It also works good in like strengthening your pores and making your skin smooth. After you apply this, it after 3 days I felt that it gives you a little of that shrinkage of your pores, and also gives you a little of pinkish glow as it contains rose extract into it. It also moisturizes your skin. If you have oily skin type, then it will be very difficult for you to use any night cream, any serums, night serums for your skin to use in this harsh summer. So this can be a great option to be used at night, uh, as a night cream for oily combination normal skin type. I think, and for dry skin type, I don't think this will work great, because dry skin type needs more moisturizer at the night, so it can be more good in this daytime. So these are all the reviews what I felt about it. So I'm using it right now at the night. You can also give it a try, but for people above 22, I don't think this will work. This is just a wastage of money. And this is also budget friendly, organic, so it has no side effect even if you have sensitive skin type or acne prone skin type. Yeah, that was very like sad to hear that a brand which I really love from Badi Herbals is not working so great. But yeah, affordable night cream, I got something like this. That's great. So yeah, that was all for this review. Hope you felt it a little helpful. If you felt it, then please hit on the like button, that encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends. To comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video content you wanted us to make, any other product reviews you wanted us to make in this channel. You can write us down in the comment section below. Share it with all your friends, mainly with the people above 18 to 22. Can definitely give this a try, because this is just rupees. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try. Do subscribe to our channel to support our hard works, and do click the bell icon beside it to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Yeah, that is all for this video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.